Hey guys, we're at Avenue Sound, Freeport, New York, and I want to talk to you about this beautiful lighting display we got going on. It highlights so many different things. Stinger race board lighting, and Jody at 5 Access set this up. So starting up at the top, we got the Jeep Wrangler JL, showing the hood light, 9-inch headlights. In those 9-inch headlights, we have low beam and high beam LED white, as well as amber LED directionals in the halos. Jeep Wrangler tail light, you can see brake, you can see tail, and you can also see reverse. Then we also have Jeep Wrangler JK, RGB halos, white headlight fog light and high beam, as well as again amber directionals in the halo. We also show hideaway license plates, so we can go ahead and flip that down. License plate will go in, go ahead and flip it back out. License plate will come back out, you can see it live in action. Fifth wheel brake light, again for our Jeep Wranglers, JLs, JKs, Gladiators. We got these 3-inch cube lights right here. These 3-inch cube lights are multifunction, so they do amber as well as white. We also have an LED bar in various sizes, and as you can see, it does amber backlight and white. So it'll do pretty much any color of the rainbow, but of course we can get pure white on there, which is important, so you can get some nice bright lighting in the bed. Got a set of beautiful 5-inch cubes on here if you want to light up some nice spot areas. So with ambient lighting, you can pretty much do any color of the rainbow in your dashboard, footwells, door pockets, door handles. If you want a remote to be able to control it, or if you want something app controlled, you'll be able to get that done. Rock lighting in the wheel wells. Any color of the rainbow as well as white is available. RGB undercar lighting in the solid stock. This remote right here activates rock lights, and we can show the patterns that exist with them. And then if you want to focus your attention on this wheel down here, this is a wheel that's going to show you RGB as well as chasing. We have standard halogen bulbs in most cars that come with base lighting. And we want to show you the difference between an LED Terminator or an LED Nova Series. If you happen to have a projector lens in your car and you want to know what that looks like with an LED light, we can show you as well. We got these 3-inch cubes right here. These guys do amber emergency, amber driving, and yellow fog. These strobe lights right here are ones that we can drill into your headlights. So as you can see, they turn on and we can show you the different variations of patterns. And then we're also highlighting the beacon lights. So these are the ones at the top of the cab. Cab lights are actually called. The beacon light is right there. So you can see it on, and we can also show you the different patterns. It's Avenue Sound, Long Island, New York. If you have any questions, you can reach us at www.avenuesound.com, Facebook, YouTube, or follow us on Instagram.